Hi friends, welcome back. And this is Lokesh. And today we are going to discussing about how to download, how to download K6 and how to install K6 and then how to create create first test case and how to run our K6 one. Okay. These are the things we are going to discussing today. Okay. Before downloading K6, what are the things you required in your pre setup? Okay. For this, you required for Node.js. Okay. Node.js and VS Code editor. VS Code editor. These are the two things you have to install in your system. Okay. That all the things I have already teach you and previous sessions. Okay. Please go through that and come back here. Okay, once you done installation of Node.js and VS Code editor, then you can open your Chrome browser or any browser which you are comfortable. Okay, search for K6 documentation. Once you done that particular documentation, you can able to see this is the first option, Grafana K6 documentation. Okay, once you click on that, you can able to see there are certain things it is presented here. Okay, there is a setup section. Okay, click on that. There is a installation things. Okay, click on that. Once you click, you can see right here there are the installation steps, how you can do for Linux, how you can do for some other things and Mac and Windows. This is a Choco installation. Okay, this is different for any other thing because chocolate package you have to install into your Windows, then only you can able to use this one. Okay, now I'm not going to show this particular one. I'm going to show you for completely different. Okay, if you scroll down, you can see that download the K6 binary, our GitHub release package. Okay, there are GitHub package. Once you click, it will open into a GitHub package. Okay, from here you can able to see our K6 1.2.3 is presented here. Okay, if you go for down, there is a K6 here. Okay, click on that. Windows related. If you have Mac or Linux, you can based upon that you can able to download your convenient. Okay, go to your download section. Okay, you can see right K6 here. Okay, double click on that. You can see K6 widget. Okay, installation. Okay, accept the license and click on next and next and install. Okay, a simple, it will take for a couple of minutes. Okay, once it is done, we can able to go ahead for another one. Okay, meanwhile I'll go and take here, I'll in the documentation section, I'll go ahead here, create my file. Okay, K6 project. Okay, K6 project. Now you can see it is finished. Okay, my K6 got finished. Now I need to configure this one, right? What else next step it is there here? If you see, right, it is there K6 extension. If you want to use this one K6 extension, you need for K6 binary built with your desired extensions. Okay, troubleshoot in case. Okay, this is K6 Studio. This also I'll show you how to do that. Okay, and then you can able to go for configure your code editor. Okay, there is another section. There is a configure your code editor. Okay, this here it will give you for some intelligence and all. Okay, you have to do that. Okay, once you open and all, you can able to do this all the things. Okay, and I'll open for VS Code editor because I have already. Okay, now I've opened VS Code. Now I'm going back to open my folder. Okay, here my K6 project which we have opened. Okay, now opening for my terminal, a new terminal. Okay, and here what are the things we need to do? This is the npm init. Yes. Okay, this is the one we need to do. Okay, now I'm done. It will create for package.json file. Okay, package.json file. You can see K6 project and it will give you, but there is no version of that. Okay. Now I'm going to use for this particular npm install hyphen save at the rate types slash k6. Okay, this I'm going to install. Okay, once we start the install, we can able to see for node module. Okay, see our node module came and page came, and inside the typo we have for all k6 related stuff here. Okay, now we done for installation, but you can see the code editor extension is required for some plugin to add. This K6 plugin must be added. Okay, click on this K6 and it will give you for this particular location for VS Code editor. And you have another one, IntelliJ ID. Okay, IntelliJ ID also it is presented. You can choose for any of. And I'm choosing for VS Code because we are seen last couple of places, right? Now it will after click installation, you can able to get for continue and open for VS Code editor. Don't choose for all the time. Okay, if you choose that one, it will give you for some error. Now trust the public and install. Okay, and they are providing for the documentation K6 and run current file. Okay, like this it will show you. Okay, now our K6 got installed now. Okay, now plugin we installed and everything we installed. Okay, and we need to do for our code, right? How you can able to do the coding. Okay, simple example I'll go and show you. Okay, how you can able to write a simple example. Okay, for this here you can click and K6 or not this one, Control Shift P, Control Alt P. Yeah. K6 run current file. Okay, run current file. You can click this one. Oh, it will give you one file. It is not giving. Okay, no issue. We'll click the project and we'll create a file. Okay, tc01 first demo.js file. First demo.js file. Okay, this is my first file. I'm going to creating for the demo purpose. Okay, now what else we need to do? We need to import first. Import http. Okay, from k6 http. Okay, and then we need to import some sleep functionality because we need to see some waiting time for this. Okay, and it will give you for export default function and then http dot get. This is a get functionality. For this what I can do, right? I'll go and take for google.com. Okay, this will it will not fail. Because of that I'm going to choose this particular URL. Okay, now I'm going to save here. Now we have done for first case we created, and also we set up and plugin and everything we have done, and now we need to run our K6. Okay, how we can able to run in this terminal location. In this terminal, if you go a little bit here, K6, use the K6 name. Okay, and run. Okay, our file name is tc01 underscore first demo.js file. Okay, once you hit the runner and it will start for K6. Okay, you can see it is run for everything. Okay, it is given properly. See, this is a KC Grafana K6. Okay, these are my first and local extension. This is basically local. If you see other members are showing some command prompt and all, and I am showing for VS Code editor. Okay, some peoples are using for node file and then they are running in the command line and all, and they use the chocolate to install the K6, and now I'm using for different approach ways. Okay, but way of approaching is same. Okay, what are the things they are trying, and I'm also trying the same. Both are same, nothing different. Only setup is different, okay? And the scenario got 100%. One scenario, one maximum. VUS is a virtual user. Okay, virtual user. How much time it is taken? 10 minutes, 10 milliseconds. Okay, max duration. Okay, and here is a one virtual. Okay, and you can see clear indication it is providing. Okay, it is completed as well here. Okay, now what else we can do? We can do to increase this particular virtual users and time. Duration time also we can able to extend. How we can able to do? For this, you can see K6 run is there, right? After run, we need to go ahead here. Hyphen VUS. VUS is basically a virtual user space. Now I'm going to increasing for 1 to 20 users. Okay, 1 to 20 user. Now I want to increase the duration also. And here space hyphen duration. Okay, equal space 60 seconds and little bit space. Okay, because we need to see. Okay, now our file. Now if I hit this one, see now it is increased. How many? 20 users, and it is trying to increase the seconds. What? How many seconds we used? 60. Now 30 seconds it is gone. Now here you can see increasing the users hitting. In that particular time, it is increasing that because here also we spend the time, right? Sleep is 1 second and it is increasing the keep on. See, virtual users are increasing, and here the bar also you can see bar it is slowly increasing. Here you can keep on, you can see up to 60 seconds it will come and it will stop that duration. Okay. We can wait some of couple of minutes. Almost it is completed. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, 1 minute. 1 minute, all the users got passed. How it is hitted for 808 times it is hitted for that particular browser. Okay, and 1 minute, 0 1 seconds, and 5. Okay, this many times it is provided, and also there is no failure. Okay, see 20 and duration there is no failed. Okay, if you increase decrease whatever it is, you can based upon that you can able to do it. Okay, now there is one more question. Now you are used for virtual user here and duration here. Do we have any other way to do in a program? Yes, we have one way to declare those kind of declarations without any problem. Okay, how we can able to do it? Okay, for this we need to go ahead here. Here unit is for export constant. Okay, there is a options. Okay, options and equal to and curly braces close and those things. Okay, now here we need to use for virtual users. VUS virtual user colon. Now I need to increase for 20 here as well, comma, and then my duration become colon, and I'm going to use for 30 seconds this time. Okay, I'm not going to use for 60 or somewhere, but I'm going to use for this one. Okay, now what is the command we can use? The first one which we have used for K6 run tc01 underscore first demo.js file. If I hit, now you can see it is running very fast. 20 users. It is for maximum duration time because we use for 30 seconds. For the 30 seconds purpose is keep on increasing. And here also duration you can count it. 15 it is there now. Now it is going to 20. Now 10 more seconds. See, gone 30 seconds, which we have provided that many times it is hitted. It is hitted for 4031 times it is hitted for that particular website. There is no failure, and minimum and maximum everything it will provide, and also it will provide for some average time 419.53 milliseconds and minimum 93.17, and mid it is coming for 451 milliseconds and max 1.92 seconds. 90 times and 95 times it is taken this much time. Okay, it is for 431 times and 13.6 is the average. Okay, like this it will give you for detailed format of a report. Okay, results it will provide. We can see upcoming session some of the things. Okay, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.